Good morning class, standard 10 physical educations. Now all together for first semester, the question MCQ questions, there are 15 questions. I will give the questions and the answer. You find the correct answer and write. Regarding human growth and development, physical fitness, physical educations, body type, sports training, sports injury, prevention of injuries. All mixed together, I made a 15 questions. So you correctly write and think about correct answer and tick it. So it will come for your examinations. Only the model question I am giving. Same pattern, same maybe comes, may not. But all the questions are same. 99% same pattern will be come to your exams. First, giving answer, don't write short form like somebody is writing like Monish Sundaram. Writing question number 1, B. Question number 2, C. Answer what ticking. You have to write the answer. First write the question. The physical growth and development is called. Option A means that full form you have to write. First question you have to write answer. How can you the examiners correct your papers? Don't give that. Write completely. You have time, enough time. Write the questions and give the correct options. Write the correct option. Don't write question number 1, A. No, don't do that. Now let me read the questions. The physical growth and development is called. Option is A. Readiness, B. Maturations, C. Heredity, D. Mobilities. So what is your correct answer? The readiness is not possible. Heredity is not possible. Mobility also is not possible. It is coming is the only maturations. The right answer is maturations. Option B is the right answer. Next question, second question. What does mesomorph refer to? A mesomorph body regarding. First options, they gain weight easily, lose weight slowly. Option 2, they gain and lose weight easily. Option 3, it is hard to gain weight. Fourth option, it is difficult to gain weight. So the correct option, the mesomorph bodies, they can eat whatever they can get body and reduce. They can get body weight as well as decrease the body weight. Your correct option is 1. They gain weight easily, lose weight slowly. That is the correct answer. Third question, what is the tennis elbow injury? Normally this happens in volleyball, cricket, hockey, tennis, long tennis, even table tennis, badminton, basketball, so many are there. First option, it is an inflammation of the tendon that joins the muscles of the forearm to the outside of the elbow. Option 2, it is a disorder involving the muscles, nerves and bones of the back. Option 3, it is inflammation of bursa at part of the hip called the greater Trochanter. 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 Fourth option, it is a traumatic injury to the brain that alters mental status. So your option is 2. It is a disorder involving the muscles, nerves and bones of the back. The right answer is option 2. Now fourth question, which physical fitness test is used to access cardiovascular endurance regarding heartbeat? First one, option is push-up test. Option 2, sit-up and reach test. Option 3, sit-up test. Option 4, Cooper run test. So your option is cardiovascular is not push-up only for arm strength, sit-ups for only abdomen, sit-ups test for the abdomen lateral exercise. It is not regarding with the heart, cardio. So your option is Cooper run test. That is the correct answer is. So you have to think about that. What is the question? Which is physical fitness test is used to access cardiovascular endurance. Cardiovascular muscle is only heart muscles. So think about the rest of the, if you do the push-up, only hand muscles. If you do sit and reach, only abdomen and thigh muscles. If you do sit-ups, only abdomen. This is not 3 related to the heart, cardio. So there is a Cooper run test called cardiovascular endurance. So your answer is Cooper run test. Next, fifth question, to prevent an injury, one should always, option is warm up properly. Option 2, have appropriate fitness levels before playing. Option 3, wear the appropriate equipment. Fourth is all of the above. So your answer is the warm up also necessary, appropriate fitness level also required, appropriate equipment also required. So your answer is all of the above. Now 6 questions. The ability to maintain equilibrium when stationary or moving. First option is accuracy. Option 2, flexibility. Option 3, balance. Option 4, agility. So your option is maintain equilibrium when stationary or moving, standing or moving. One place was standing or moving. What will happen? It is, if you stand means what do you require? Agility you need? No. Flexibility you need? No. Accuracy you need? No. That is balance. Your answer is balance. Option 3 is the correct answer. 7th question, the influence of peer groups. Peer means friends group, normally called friends, is more in first options adulthood stage, second one adolescence stage, third one infancy stage, fourth one childhood stage. So what is the happen? It is when you will happen, you will peer group, when standing together and talking along with the friends only. When you come adolescence, When you mature only you can talk with some. Normally small student they cannot grouply and talk something. When you are matured, when you have adolescence, then only that movement will be there. Group is more in adolescence. Your answer is to adolescence stage. Now, eighth question. It is the ability to use the senses together with body parts during movement. With the senses together with the body movement. First is power. Second one agility. Third one speed. Fourth one is the coordinations. So your option, what is that? Senses together with the body. Senses also need, body also should go. So in this power is not possible. Agility also is not possible. Speed also is not possible. So only coordination, senses, what you are thinking according that you will go, your body will move. So answer is coordinations. So ninth questions, the systematic planning of athletic or physical training is called. Option B, periodization. 2, specificity. Third option, frequency. Fourth one's variance. So what is the options is called? The systematic planning of athletic or physical training is called. So periodization means time limit. That is the program fixed. Specificity, that is specificity also is not possible. Planning means specificity, that is only particular place. Frequency, continuities, not is coming. Variance also is not come. So your answer is periodizations. Answer 1 is correct. Now 10th question, factors that influence human growth and developments are. Option 1 is the heredity. Option 2, environment. Option 3, gender. Option 4, all of the above. So you need a factor that influence human growth and developments are. Heredity also possible. Environment also possible. And gender also is possible. So all three requirements. So your answer is all of the above. Answer 4 is correct. Because the heredity also comes factors. Somebody's heredity problem, father also fat, son also become fat. Father have hemophilia, night blindness. That also is fast to the offspring. Possibility is there. Even surrounding environment, which environment you are staying, that also possible. Even gender, female, male, that also possible. Now 11th one, what is the most common symptom of an ACL injury? This normally it will comes leg, this ACL anterior cruciate ligament, ACL. First options, pain, swelling along the inner parts of the body, inner parts of the leg. Option 2, a loud pop, P-O-P, or a popping sensation in the knee with a severe pain. Third one, pain on the bottom of the foot near the heel. Option 4, tenderness when you touch the ankle, instability in the ankle. What's your options? Pain also will be there. inner parts of the leg that we can't see. A loud pop, the sound while walking, cut and sound will comes. Some people are walking like that. Sensation in the knee. Your right answer is option 2. Now 12th question. Which of the following statement is correct? Language acquisition is faster in girls in their teens. Option 2, skills like catching, jumping, throwing and slower in boys. Option 3, girls don't grow taller. Option 4, gender does not influence growth and development. So, language acquisition is faster in the girls in their teens. Question is, the following statement is correct or not? We must judge which is a correct. Skills, the catching it is not a coming. This is not a, this is related to activities. Girls don't grow taller. This is personal things. Gender does not influence growth and development. This also is not coming. Which of the following statement is correct? That means language acquisitions. Language you can pick up what language they are talking easily. So your answer is language acquisition is faster in girls in their teens. Correct answer is 1. Now 13th questions. Dash is essential for the healthy development of the child. Dash is the essential for the healthy development of the child. Your option is proper nutrition. Option 2, recreation. Option 3, fibrous food. Option 4, excursions. So your answer is recreation also is not possible, essentially healthy developments. Fibrous food also need, excretion also need. But main important, the proper nutrition. That means healthy development. Healthy. Fibrous, some fat will be there, recreation is the enjoyment. Excursions, enjoyment, fulfillment, not. But proper nutrition is the correct answer. 14th one. Which among the following are the objectives of physical education? This is the following objective. That is the point. Objective of physical education. First option, physical development and psychological development, social development, emotional development. Option 3, neuromuscular development, mental development. Option 4, all of the above. So, objective of the physical educations, physical development and psychological also require, social development also require, emotion also require, and neuromuscular development also require, mental development also require. So your answer is answer 4, all of the above. Next, last question. Someone has a broken bone. Which of the following statement is true? Somebody has broken bone. Which is the correct statements is true? If we do not support the limb, it may cause further injury and pain. Option 2. If we do not support the limb, the person will be able to move the limb more easily and reduce the pain. Option 3. If we do not support the limb, it doesn't matter. Option 4, none of the above. So none of the above, no, it's not possible. This is required. If we do not support the limb, it doesn't matter. No, it is negligence. It will cause more damage if you not support. Second one, we do not support the limb. The person will be able to move the limb more easily and reduce pain. This is absolutely wrong. If you are not support, the injured person cannot move the body easily. It will be more painful then. So your correct answer is if we do not support the limb, it may cause further injury and pain. If we do not support, this is the main. So your option is 1. So same type of continuity for next week also. Till your exams gets over, you will get all MCQ question. New question I'll prepare and give for your examinations to preparations. Good morning class. Stay safe, stay home.